seamlessly back into the live stream. We are... I don't know if it's going to make it all the way down there or not. I got 5 still riding. I'd like to see behind off of this big bright red dot for us to continue on. We should be back live. Give me a mic check there in the chat. Should be still there. Don't forget trading is risky, blah, 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 blah. Afternoon session, we've got 2:13. Almost 2 hours to the close. Hour and 40-ish minutes. So rolling back to the Big Bang where we left off. Let's see. Did I tell you so? I think I told you so. I think I told you so. All right, all the way down to the open line, and look, they are just holding that open. So I closed almost all positions as we came in here to the open line multiple times. I did record that entire section. If you guys would like to see it, let me know down in the comments on this video, and I'll release it. Oh, I'm still recording. I'm gonna hit stop recording right now. There we go. So I will release that. If you guys want, you'll need to let me know in the comments down below. The ride down was a beautiful play. Still hovering around. I'm at about 57,000 on the day. 2 huge days back to back now. So here's, oh, I need to turn the music down. Sorry, I was having a good time here on the ride down. So yeah, let's see what we get. I mean, this ES is just playing. You got to be careful when these things start to narrow up. This thing could shoot this thing all the way back up here. So I don't know if these 5 are gonna get any farther beyond the open line, and we may be killing it, but we'll see there. All right, afternoon live stream here. Let's get the text back on screen. All that good stuff. Don, we got the fries ready to go. All right, so we'll see. Basically, if we start pushing that bowl, if that widens out that bowl, then I'll cut it. I want to add in as we touch the bowl one more time and look for an entry on a lower time frame. This is the 100 tick zone from before when I measured the 100 ticks from the top. 100 ticks is right here. So if you're wondering what this section is, this is the 100 tick. Okay, we cracked through that cipher, so bulls are trying to maintain control here. Into the 100 tick. We are touching the bowl now, so as soon as I hear them stop with their clacking clatter. Alright, there is a shark there. I'm gonna size back down here as we go into the afternoon. 2:16 in the afternoon. Shark back entry.
Enigma short.
And now I've got an Enigma. We've got all kinds of good stuff here on this one, and need to put a F6 here right back behind the Enigma there. We've got a power headshot, power PRZ, cross, moonshot, power moonshot, everything under the sun spot right here. So giving that a shot here. We'll see what happens with ES. Would love to see ES do a little turn down there. But basically when ES points up, NASDAQ launches. When ES points down, he also launches. It just depends on the direction. It's almost as though like whatever direction the ES is pointing, that's where the NASDAQ is running. So that's why I'm keeping that right there as well. What's up, Superman? Hey, good to see you. Hadn't heard from you in a while. Good to see you. Yeah. MacView is strong. True. We got into the big bull zone. Remember, again, I am really like the biggest play. I mean, I'll hit a 100K day if we end up coming down here and tapping and letting the big bear out. Big bear out is here. Now, whether they let him out today, we have plenty of time. It's 2:18. There's time left. Gonna need to see the greens break though. Here's the first test. Butterfly will tell it. I'm gonna assume it breaks first. Zeus did not feel my top side on it. Cracked through the Gartley, so bulls are not in full control. ES is pointing down. Noise. Holding inside of its golden ropes though, so it's got to get underneath there for me to be able to be, you know, super happy about this, because as these start to squeeze together, things can happen, and that can squeeze and launch. So there's that bull touch at the top and a nice drop there. We'll see if I can get a 40 bag out of it. I'm going to Zeus on that. Hopefully that is going to be a BBI. Blue bar ignored. Yes. Now run me down. Go touch that open line again. I'm happy to see it. Atta girl. Atta girl. Atta girl. Go down there and touch it. Zeus, get down there and touch it. Do it. Thank you. Oh my word, did they not fill me? Seriously? Alright, I'm gonna kill it. Too dangerous around that area. Tried to get over 30K on this account. Has been a beating, been a difficulty. Touchdown at the open line, my least favorite area to play. This was a beautiful play right here, all the way down. It's 96 ticks. Yeah, I could have held it for a little bit longer. Woulda, shoulda, coulda. Don't care. Don't hate me for it. Gotta do it. All right, remember, big picture play here. I'd like to see this all the way down to, could go to prior low. And I don't know that, let's see, what does that put us at? 23,000? 23,000 is the number. Not my P&L. 23,000 on the NASDAQ price. And that still doesn't get us to Big Bear. Big Bear is at 22,960. I'm actually gonna, oh, I've already got a line there. This is an important area from before. I'm just gonna make it super big here on this one.
Lower bands touch NQ on the 37.
Okay. There's where they let Big Bear out. Right there. If they're gonna run it. Now remember, sometimes they can do it after hours, so you got to be careful of that. That's why I'm not just like, well, why don't you just bet to go there right now? Well, because we're floating the open. ES is squeezing its moving averages in together. here and just being a,
on the 4.
I mean, this is the world's longest flag on the 2s on ES. And ES being the heavy guide. Alright, that is a super AO. I will give it a slap. Maybe I can get this over 30k. Come on, get some 30k hype in the chat for me. Come on, give me that super AO. ES, stop pointing up. Point down, bro. Point down for a second, would ya? Nope. Cracking the cross. Did the tick thing. To the tick. Come on, ES. Point down a minute. Point down for a minute, bro. Point down for a minute. Do it. ES is like, no thanks, no thanks. I'll just keep pointing up here. And then we'll just wait for Trump to say something again on Truth Social.
Fib.NQ on the 9.
Red dot on the 9s. I'm going to add to the position. Work with a, hopefully, what is a 24-bit OS. Let's see if the dot holds. Will the dot hold? Give me a 20 or 40 tick drop here. You can do it. You can do it. There we go. Starting to hear some big guys. Come on, big guys. Come on, help us out. Yes, I know it's a big trap. And yes, I know we're right here by the open line. Blah, 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 blah. Well, let's get that Super AO some love, would ya? Nope. She wants to hold it. Alright. It's been so difficult to... So I got a 4K superstition here. Okay, I'm $4,000 away from where I want to hit it. I am trying to get that to that 30K mark. Or what steps in right here? That is a little bull right here. So little bull, he wants to go 125 ticks. So let's get his measurement here. Alright, run your 25, 125. Alright, you want to go back up there and touch that area. Fine, whatever. Oh, it's like on the money.
Double delta NQ.
So he wants to go up there and hit that white line. Red dot, price pierced through it just by a hair. Can you see it? Like, just by a hair. So it's not really completely done, right? It could. We could still get it down. We could see the head fake here. We saw bears, look, all kinds of stepping in right here, slapping that down, ran it all the way to the prior close. Bulls are like, no, bro, I'm buying at the open. We're not going negative. Hey, no, bro. We are in the Bollinger on the 37, the optimized range. We've got a ready DD. I want to take the next play. We got 3 minutes. You guys better hit the like button. When I get back, I'm telling y'all, those likes better be up. I'm gonna be back. Y'all better do it.
AlgoBoxers, light it up. Smash the like button. Clickety clap, tappity tap, smash that like, don't hold it back. Bippity bop, flippity flap, hit the like button, make it snap. Tickety tock, hit that spot, like it up, don't let it rot. Tappity tap, just one shot, hit the like button, make it hot. Let's go. Like button.
Upper bands touch NQ on the 37. Clickety clap, tappity tap, smash that like, don't hold it back. Bippity bop, flippity flap, hit the like. Double delta NQ on the 4. Tickety talk, hit that spot, like it up, don't let it rot. Tappity tap, just one shot, hit the like button, make it hot. Let's go. Smash the like button.
NYMEX WTI crude August futures settle at $66.38 a barrel, down 14 cents, 0.21%. Also, NYMEX diesel August futures settle at around $2.39 a gallon. NYMEX gasoline August futures settle at around $2.14 a gallon. NYMEX natural gas August futures settle at around $3.55.
How it goes.
Upper bands touch NQ on the 37.
AlgoBoxers, light it up. Woo! Smash the like button. Smash. 1, 2, we smash. 1, 2, hold up. Smash, smash. 1, 2, 3. The like button. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yo, hit it now. I saw him tap. Boom. I saw him tap and I run it up. I saw him tap and don't hold back. I saw him tap. Like.
We got divergence on the nines. We could get a move right here. I am watching my ripple chart. We don't like to take anything alone. I see an enigma. Oh, there's a cross. I'm taking the moonshot.
Let's see. What happens if we use a system on BTC? It'll work. In fact, they're doing some awesome integrations with crypto. Kraken purchased NinjaTrader for 1.5 billion within the last year. When was that? Anybody got the date on when Kraken bought NinjaTrader? They're doing integrations on it already. They already have data feeds for it. So I have shown the system on Bitcoin. There's a 2-week free trial, so get your data feed, go put it on there, see for yourself. Exactly the same thing. Anything that moves in size, speed, and structure, which is basically every market out there. Crypto's no different. So yes, if you have a data feed for crypto, BTC, any others, there NinjaTrader actually has micro Bitcoin as well. So if you don't want to trade the whole contract, you can trade the, I think they have a nano. Is that right? Don't they have a nano of it even? They have a mini, a micro, and I think they also have a nano, like super small BTC. All right, so I'm going to sell this level, as I said from before, if it came into it. We've got a divergent bowl as well for it. Now, we are doing the S-curve already, right? We're coming up. S-curve, what am I looking for after the S-curve? Pop quiz, what am I looking for the best play after an S-curve? What is it? Type in the chat.
Just one shot. Hit the like button. Let's go.
That's right. The Triple Crown. Triple Crown. Most likely before we go down, right? So probably going to have a Triple Crown and then go down. Yeah. So, yeah, you know, we up one. And then we need to 3. Okay. Everybody good? All right, help me out. Type a 1, smash the like button. We need to get to 50 likes if you guys want me to stay the whole session. We need 6 likes. 6 left. NinjaTrader has Coinbase Nano Bitcoin. There you go. So if you got your Coinbase account, you can connect it, and it's basically let AlgoBox do all the charting and layout for you, do all of the analysis, structural and real-time order flow events, and yeah, rock it out. Okay, there's what I kind of call the middle finger part of the crown right there. 1, 2. We should come back down. Then we'll come back up one more time. Everybody gets along. Everybody's like faking it, head fake, and then poof. At least that's what I'm looking at. 1, 4, 3, brother.
Upper finger NQ on the 37. Hey, buddy. Want me to play Fortnite with you? Yes, I will play Fortnite with you. let me finish my work here, and why don't you set a timer for 1 hour. Fib.NQ on the 4.
All right, got a pink dot here. Let's get on a 32-bit operating system. There we go. Yeah, still pointing straight up here, so eesh. Getting wild.
Brent crude futures settle at $68.52 a barrel, down 19 cents or 0.28%.
That's weird. They usually do that settlement at like 2:30. What's up with this today? Talking about it at 2:42? They just like late on it today or what? Is there a way to study the signal types before the free trial? Yes, there's a whole free section of training on the website, algoboxpro.com. Click on training at the top. There's 8 videos to go through bootcamp, currently free. It will be behind a paywall soon, so go grab it right now. One specific video or study sheet you recommend. And we have full documentation is also there, but the point of those 8 videos that we did in an 8-day boot camp is to go through all the documentation, all the fundamentals, teach you everything there is to know. I do recommend that you do both at the same time, so I would recommend install the trial, go through the boot camp, because the boot camp in the first couple of videos are actually getting you all set up as well. So you've got your first, if you're going to take 8 days to do it, it really depends on you how much time you have, but the 8 videos are about, they're about an hour to 2 hours tops each. So it's about 16 hours of time. If you play it at high speed, everybody can adjust, and their absorption rate is different. But how fast you can absorb, and again, make sure you're actually absorbing it. Don't just like have people like, well, I was playing it in the background while I was watching my Netflix series and playing pool. You want to like heads down and treat it like you're in a serious, I don't know if I'd say college, because I wouldn't say college is too serious either, but like a serious vocational study, to where if you think about your livelihood depending on how well you absorb the information, like take it like that. Take it seriously. It's hard to take things seriously that are free. So therein lies the problem. Like I think that there's even a scripture passage on this that says, where your treasure is, there your heart will be also. Your heart will not be there if you didn't put your money there. It's a thing. What was I going to say with that? Oh yeah. So if you have it installed while you go through those first sets of videos, it'll save you a lot of time later, because you're going to have, it'll basically walk you through on those videos, getting everything all set up. It's what it's designed to do. So you have the 2-week free trial, and let's say that it did take you all 8 days. Okay, well after the 8 days, if you're doing a 14-day free trial, you have 6 more days to work with it. So if you're trying to maximize your time, now there's a lot of people who don't value their time. Okay, I've got a lot of people who don't value their time. They come in here, they troll me, they come and deliver my fries from Uber. Okay, if that's you, this is not for you. Okay, but if you do want to take it seriously, you know that time is money, and that money is time, and that the most valuable asset that you have on this earth is your time, then spend it wisely. And I would suggest that you go through the 2-week free trial, install it, go through the 8-day boot camp while you have the while you have the installation set up, get it all set up, get your workspace all set up properly, and then use the extra 6 days after that to play with it and come to the live streams, play with full auto, all things that I talk about as you get into those deeper lessons, especially in videos 4 through 8, where things all get put together and full auto gets hit in video 6 and those type of things. So that's the way it's laid out. Eddie's got you a link there to the start trial. And there's a link to the boot camp right there as well. Thanks, Eddie. You the man. All right, so there's move number 1 to get a 100 tick measurement. I'm getting pretty good at eyeballing that. 106, so 100 is right about there. Remove this other one here. That. So the 100 ticker is right about there. I know you've been doing this a long time. Is the gold pack enough to have a shot at doing what you do, or should I set my sights on the max package? The gold package is enough. Yeah, in fact, what I'm using here manually is the gold package. So yes, the gold that's the gold standard. You'll probably want the extra sauce later. So it's always cheaper to buy it up front. But if you want to wait on it, you can. If you want the full auto features to be able to play with those and things, then purchase lifetime. And all the details are there on the pricing page. You can also schedule a call with me. Just schedule a call there on the website. And if you want to talk about your various options, or if you got any detailed questions you'd like to get answered. Oftentimes I catch up on calls on Friday, so if I don't get you through the week, just hang till Friday. I will get you called. That week. I know people are like, well, how come you didn't call me on my schedule? And I'm going to close this right here as we touch the golden rope there on NQ on the bots. All right. My account is barely over 30K right now. If I close it right now, I'm at 30K right here at the bottom of this cipher. I'm hoping it just kind of drops through a little bit farther and goes all the way to the white line down below. That's the 100 ticker. If the bulls are going to maintain their control, they will need to step up hard right at that 100 tick line. Platinum is the bomb. Yeah, you get all the extra fun buttons and all that.
Ten minutes away from the top of the hour. We are expecting Trump at a bill
Enigma
signing
short
ceremony.
on the NQ4.
All right, so I'm going to add to my position on a red Enigma. I am hearing buyer step again. I do think that we should have a triple crown before we just go down. So I do expect, some up move, and it could, go beyond here. Like that can look like this, like way up. Or it can look like this. Sometimes it goes down, but not usually. Usually the third one is the highest. Really fakes people out. Really shoves the head fake in a direction. So yeah. I like to press the fun buttons.
Halt fentanyl act. So for the bill signing for the Halt Fentanyl Act.
After studying the document page, the Richie happens a lot and it's very powerful. Thank you. ES is pointing up, so see, you're floating the line. All right, I'm gonna close it here. I'm gonna wait until we pop all the way up here. I'm $400 away now. I had that $4,000 superstition. Now it's a $400 superstition from my big number target here. And again, I really want to try to get myself to wait for the triple crown. It is almost central here. But we do have an Enigma. I am hearing them clack it up. So that generally means they'll push it to the back of the Enigma. And then I need to hear the seller step right in there. And working on the next version of an AlgoBox. I am. Yes, the next version is coming in August. Are the bots the same as the ones you use? Yes. Would it be naive to think that they could make money out of the box, or do I need to learn how to fine tune them, shut off and on, etc.? I think it'd be pretty naive. I mean, you don't even know how to press the button. Like, is it just going to start printing money, just installing it? But this is not like other places. You're not having to do all the optimizations and blah, 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 unless you want to. Like, you have that ability. We created something unique. We have everything set in. I implemented them as indicators. I implemented strategies as indicators. Now, most people don't know what that means, and it probably doesn't mean anything to you. Only the nerds probably know or understand what that means, or how cool that is. Or if you spend a lot of time in the strategy analyzer and done a lot of backtest optimization walk forward, if you've done a lot of bow method, then you might know and appreciate it. But implementing it this way also allows you to use them in more trader funding programs as well, because it is accessible and running by a button, not just through a full auto strategy. So there's a lot of advantages to it. I could talk about it for a long time, but that's the whole point of the boot camp. When you get to video 5, 6, and 7, we go into that in depth. And yes, you're going to need to watch 8 videos. Boo-hoo. It just cracks me up the way... I mean, people are so used to TikTok these days. Like, you can't even get people to watch 8 videos. 8 videos? How am I going to have time to scroll and doom scroll my TikTok tonight? Shut up.
That video is on the feed for you to watch.
I know, you're going to have to put your TikTok down. I know, it's really death-defying thing. But what if my favorite dragon show is on tonight? I gotta find out if Princess Johannes is gonna do the Hohannes, you know what I'm saying? No, actually I don't. No, I don't know what you're saying. You literally speak another language. But I've heard you say it. I've heard people say it. Do you watch Thrones on Games? You're game the markets, right? You watch the games on the thrones. When I'm taking a dump on the throne, I love the games. Uh, 5-2. Did we get to count to 3? Yes, still pointing straight up. That's a 5, 7, 5. I need one bigger than a 5. Give me a bigger than a 5. And we roll. This is crown. There's 1. There's 2. Remember, probably 3 for the big dog. All right, need to see 3 if we really want the big dog. If we want the 100K on the day, it's going to have to be the triple crown big dog. All right. And I say if, because there's no guarantee. I'm just saying I know what I'm looking for. Yes, still pointing straight up. P point coming. Let's go 100K in the chat. Let's go. Okay, ES is pointing down. So we're going to get another point on the crown. All right, so if we get another red cross, I'm going all in. Okay, another red cross. It'll be, there's, we got 752. It will have to be greater than 5.2. Okay, you guys know the drill. 1, 2, 3, and then the bang, right? If you know the 1, 2, 3 bang, type a 1. 2 if you're new. I'm actually kind of curious if we have anybody new. I know it's I don't get that many people hanging out in the afternoon session. Let's see if we got any new folks. But if it goes to plan, then here it is. Big picture time frame. Big bull pushes it up, gets his 250, slap, triple crown, down, all the way to where they let the big bear out. Now, they could push all the way through. However, what do they have to get? Right here. They got to get right here to let the bear out. You got it? Rock it. One minute. Yep, 30 seconds till 3 o'clock. Final hour.
They disbelieve on the faith basis only that I was taking every single trade that I showed examples of. And normally, I do a pretty in-depth editing process.
You're a rolling stone, but I'm a cannonball. You're not fooling me, not fooling anyone.
Slow favors the bulls. Fast favors the bears. We are slow as molasses. So bulls will keep pushing and pushing. Bulls take the stairs. Bears jump out the windows. Dude, they're approaching it. It's pretty wild. 23083 is the number. 23083. Here's the P point. Right in front of the high of day. All right, I'm gonna jump in some here on the P point. Need $400 to get to this account over 30K. I have a $400 superstition though. That thing is not to play the superstition sound just so we can try to break it. For whatever reason, the $400 is the hardest. I don't know what it is.
Upper bands touch NQ on the 37.
Rocket. There's 20. Zeus. Uh-oh. Juice. Oh, don't run without me, bro. Thank you very much. Butimus, 30K on the day. Get you some. And it ain't even on the day. We're talking about in that account. Pushed it over 30K. There we go. We're up over 70 on the day. All right, P point. Now, let's watch. They hit the 23074. That was that major dashed line. We know there is going to be activity here. Yes. All right. Now, need that triple crown to be able to hit. To be able to hit 100K today, I will have to get the absolute perfect triple crown, which is my mental plan. If the market goes along with my plan, I bank hard. If not, well, we'll see. Forget the fries. It's burger time. Yeah. Let's spam some burger in the chat. I need to get fat. Let's go. Fatter. I weighed in this morning. I was like 207. I'm like, dude, I gotta lose some weight, bro. Getting too dang heavy to drop some burger pounds, bro. These ICT Muppets have been delivering me too many fried goodies. I mean, there is a triple crown right there. Sorry, I got dazed on thinking about the burger. Let's see. Pop back up and touch 23075 one more time. Go up there and touch 23075 one more time. Let me participate. Let me participate. There we go. There we go. Okay, now just pretend like that last miss didn't happen. Like I entered in perfectly right there. That's what we want. Give me 12. All right. So now, sizing appropriately, what we need to do here. We have a down 2 finger on the optimized range. Now, we are slow as molasses, so we have to be very careful of the bull step, all right? And we've got this gigantic, speaking of bull crap, that the Antichrist likes to run.
It's a live video of Trump participating in bills.
Oh, here we go. Like, right on cue. Right on cue. They're like, oh, Trump is... Yeah, of course. Of course. Of course. Right on cue. You call, yeah, like let's see, right about now 306. Oh yeah, final hour of the trade day. He's like, all right, let me get my phone out. Let's see. Steady Eddie says he needs a pump. All right, let's see, what can I say? Let's see, call up CNBC and MSDNC and tell them I'm gonna talk again. Yeah. Tell them I said something about I don't know, I might fire somebody or something. You're fired. Like, therein lies the irony of... Everybody remember his old Apprentice show? On The Apprentice, he'd be like, you're fired! Sweet. Okay, all eyes on that ES. If that ES points back up, I'm out. That ES needs to continue to point down for me to really... have a lot of fun here. I was hoping I'd see a bigger, like, we have a 7, we got a 5. I need a I need another, just give me another red cross. It's just so much easier. It's so much easier, bro. Just so much easier. Here's king timing. If I get a blue bar in at king time, I'm going to close it. Give me a red. Thank you. Don't you print a blue bar there. King timing. Nope. Whatever, dude. I'm not dropping it. I'm not getting out of it, bro. Look at this. I'm not playing with you. We had a green dot come in on the 9s, pushing up to P point once again, and I need that third push. At the same time, look what's inside here. We got a bear claw. There is a bear claw in there. He's like, I am ready. There's my buddies over here to the left. None of them are big. I mean, this guy is here. I need to mark this red. Slow favors the bulls. They will just keep marching it up. Bears need speed. Let's see, we don't need that 106 tick again because they did not even reach the 100. How far did this one go? Did it go 100? No, it went 74. So they maintained control big time. Okay, trying to remind myself here, and don't forget, I need a cross, big red cross, larger than a 5-2. Did we get the measure on the 125 off of this guy? Oh yeah, we did. Yeah, it's the white line. Yeah, so he's using this zone. Cool. Big bull. Yeah, he got his way. He pushed it. Made it his 125. Actually made it his 250. That P point is 250 ticks for the big bull. And he's handing it off. Exiting his position in there. He's like, cool. Like, imagine you bought right here. Wouldn't you be happy to sell in here? You're like, yeah, man, I just made 250 ticks. That's how they work. And then they hand off to the other guy. And they're like, okay, now your turn. Now you can make some money. Now I get to make some money. Now you get to make some money. Now I get to make some money.
Fib.NQ on the 37. Fib.NQ on the 4.
All right, green dot test. And let me put an F6 right here. So we'll see if bulls maintain control. They will have to hold it over the dots. No, they just cracked it. So I'm going to toe in the water here. That is a crack of the bull control. A rundown to that's about 20 ticks. It's probably about 20 or 40 ticks to back to the white line there if it's going to go. Piercer, that's right. Piercer and in a zone where I want it. All right, we've touched the P point, came up to it. Again, everybody's looking at it. High of day there. The bulls are still happy as long as they're floating it above this area here. This bear needs to be allowed out. He's back here, remember? He's like, yo, I got wrecked here. Hold on. He's like, y'all gonna have to let me out. So they want to touch him. That's 23,040. About before. So I want to try to catch his run.
So it sounds like Trump is about to arrive at the bill signing ceremony.
Oh, well, isn't that nice? Tell me more about what the Antichrist is doing today.
And Trump has begun speaking.
Well, isn't that special? Tell him to say something stupid. Say something like, NVIDIA's getting too big. We're going to break up the company. That's a good one. Be a good one. Who else can think of another really good one for him to say right now that would, get things going?
Upper bands touch NQ on the 89.
Go. Everybody take a shot. How many shots have you had? Did you wear your mask today? We're gonna need everybody to put their diaper masks back on while you're driving in your vehicles. Yes.
Short on the NQ4.
We're gonna need you to fill out that TPS report and put that mask back on while you are shopping at Walmart. Thank you. Have a nice day. Oh, you only had 4 jabs? Bro, you need 5. You're not in compliance with the alliance. bug fix in the latest jab. Real-time protection. Mm-hmm.
Fib.NQ on the
95% effective. That's nice. Now the effect we're looking for here is death. Boy, ES, point down for me. Just point down for a little bit. Just point down, stay pointing down. Thank you. Just point down a little bit longer. Just point down a little longer. You are blind if you have not taken the greatest boot camp that's ever been created, and I can pretty much stand behind that. All right. When it is this slow, it's gonna go. It is just ridiculous for them to let them just hold these things so long. It is so ridiculous. We had a big blue dot show up there on the 9s too, so I was like, oh, maybe it'll just go up a little bit and push down. Nope. She's like, nah, I think I'm just gonna keep on. We never got that 5th one, or that number greater than 5 here. We went down, we touched it, and it's like, you really didn't even give it a little more, even just a little more, not even just a little. It literally is like, I'll wick it, that's it. And then bulls are like, I'm still here. Did it even go down 100 ticks? 95. Are you kidding me? 95 ticks. They literally are in so much control right now, it's insane. Yeah, I mean, the combination is being able to have more than one strategy. Everybody's like, look, you guys listen to Twitter too much. Like, oh, you only need one strategy. No, you don't. What are you talking about? Yeah, if you want to lose a lot. The markets are a shifting thing. They're continuously shifting. Why would you want to use the same strategy when the same strategy is not working all the time? You want strategies that you can have enough strategies where you can play in any condition. It's like running into battle with one weapon. So here's a question. If you're we're talking about gaming, not like, you know, real pew pew. Okay, we don't want anybody getting sad or mad and be like, oh, he's talking about real guns. We're talking about toy guns, people. You go into battle, Battlefield 3, any other. What weapon do you want to take with you? You want to take just one weapon? Or do you want to take like, well, I might need a long range, might need a short range, might need a hand-to-hand, might need a grenade, might need a rocket launcher. We're talking about Fortnite. This is a Fortnite chatter here, okay? YouTube, chill out. Golf, yeah. In golf, like, you're gonna take one club? Yeah, dude, putt with that 9-iron. With the curved cup on the end. Do it. Just tap it in. Just tap it in. Tap-a-roo. Tap, tap, tap-a-roo. Why won't you go to your home, ball? I need a P90 in a tank. There you go. Yeah, you want to have multiple ways to win. That is, in my opinion, the key of all the time that I have spent, because not one single thing works all the time. So you want multiple things to be able to determine, well, what kind of market is it right now? What is it? What's on the plate? And then something that's very consistent. I mean, you do want your tried and true, you know, M4, all right? And for me, the P90. I love the P90 in Battlefield 3. I'm like, hook me up with the P90 anytime. But then it's not like I'm like, well, just because I could just run around with P90. Yeah, but no, I want my other things too. I want my engineer weapons.
Double delta NQ on the 37.
Alright, I'm just gonna kill it. They don't want me to have my 30k in this account. They're just like, no, we're just gonna make this as slow as humanly possible. You're just gonna inch away and just gonna let the bulls do their thing. Inch and inch and inch, inch and inch and inch. We're gonna wait for Trump. We're all believing Trump's gonna say something. We need the Antichrist. He'll say something for us. Dude, look at this blue dot, man. It is blue dots call bottoms all the time. That's why I was like, dude, I can't bet against that one. Not happening. They're not making it easy. We got 3 minutes till STFR or BTFD. And ES is just, it's pointing up still, riding on his little golden ropes up here, doing. Like to kill the tanks with the E-bots. Yeah, that's a very unique one. That's a unique weapon to bring into battle. It's a unique one. And it's got a certain play style to it. some maps that works really well, especially in like Karg, where everybody's running around in tanks, you know, and so close quarters area, but it's a little bit harder on Caspian border, you know what I mean? Like Caspian's so spread out, you got to run an E-bot like halfway across the map to get anybody, you know what I mean? Versus in Karg Island, I mean, you can pop it out, you know, take out 3 tanks at a time with that little beast. Yeah, it's the super blue dot right there. But yeah, I would say multiple strategies first of all, multi-time frame. And so our key, how I developed the system, these are the entries and order of operations, 5 time frames or 3 on a reduced workspace, and then entering in on one of these. It's also a simplified set of strategies, and let the tools do the work. Let them draw the perfect structures continuously, complex structures, plus order flow events. And that is our edge.
Trump reiterates 20% penalty tariff on China for fentanyl.
Fib.NQ on the
20% tariff on what? Everything? Was that a super dot? Hold up, bro. Don't run without me. I got a super dot here, and ES is finally pointing down because Trump just said something mean. All right. Go mean tweets. Tariffs on China. Yay. Now tell them that, I don't know, say something else where you're not going to let NVIDIA, I don't know, do something.
Fib.NQ on the 4. Double delta NQ
Oh,
on the 4.
shibits. Seriously? You just switch dotted me? They're like, well, actually, we want to spin that in the positive. Trump just also said, though, what we're going to do is... Oh my. Hi, Vay. Big play is coming. This is a giant, this is a double ready DD here. A big play is coming. $3:31. 1 minute past the final half hour. Bulls maintaining control, even pushing up on a single dot. Just a reminder, the 2-week trial will no longer be free on August the 1st. So today is literally the last day if you're going to do a 2-week free trial. So today is the 16th, which means there are exactly 14 days till the end of the month. And so basically today's the last day to do a 2-week free trial. So after that, there will be a paid trial, and the current 8-day boot camp will be behind a paywall. So if you or your friends or family were wanting to join in, now is it. Remember, we do 2 times a year where we do this sale. We do Black Friday and we do Christmas in July. Right now, 2 times a year where we do the best offers. They're there on the website. Click on the sale page, algoboxpro.com/sale, or if you're on the pricing page, click on the 4th of July sale thing. The graphic should be changed to look like a Christmas in July, but you know, didn't have no time to update that kind of stuff, and our web guys suck. Yeah, I fired them. Sorry. I gotta tell it like it is. Like, I see these beautiful websites out there, and I cannot find, like, the people keep, I'm really good. I'm really good, dude. You look at their work, it's just, I can't deal with it. I can't deal with it. Do a good job. Like, if you're gonna do your job, do it well. Just do a good job. Stop half-assing stuff. Anyhow, sorry. What's the time? 3:34. So yeah, it's currently free. So go grab it on me. 2-week free trial, free boot camp. Don't say I didn't tell you so. When there's a price point on it, you'd be like, man, there was that time when it was free. Man, why is he charging now? Because you guys don't appreciate free. Like, there's literally people in here being like, well, do I actually really have to watch the free videos? I mean, can't I just turn it on and does it start printing money on day 1 during the trial without me paying anything at all? Yeah. Yeah, but we need a lot less of that. My poor tech support guys, like, the people that come in here for free too, bro, like, they literally will not wipe their own butts. Like, it's like, why don't you walk through the installer instructions? Well, you know, I can just come over here and it doesn't cost me anything, so I'm just gonna have one of your guys do it. Okay, well, I get tired of dealing with y'all's tickets. Ruinava. Just telling it like it is. All right, red dot. Is it gonna be? Is it gonna be? Probably not, because it feels too slow. So we're probably still gonna have a slow pop here. Give me that drop. Come on, do it. Crab is there. How you gonna leave me hanging like that? Get off of strong buy, bro. Yes, point downwards for once. Point down. Point down. Thank you. Thank you. Point down. Keep pointing down. Get below your golden rope. Go to your other friend. Go to your other friend. Right here. Go here. Yes, do it. Do it. Well, it's true. You know, Andrew is right. It is true. But I'm talking about, like, they won't even watch the video to push these buttons, bro. Like, I am not even kidding you. They will not. You guys would be amazed at what type of stuff we see in the tickets that we get. Okay, like, are you sure? I'm sure there could be like literally like text written off on the side here that has a full description and telling you exactly everything to do. How come the thing doesn't just tell me exactly what to do right here? I don't know what to do with these buttons. It literally says arm long, arm short, full auto. Well, what about this Enigma off and super off? I don't understand. Because you didn't watch the video, you fucktard. I mean, I'm serious, like, and I gotta stop using the word fucktard, but y'all, this is the type of stuff that we have to deal with on a regular. Like, dude, it's in video 6. Well, I watched the first 2 videos. That literally is... I'm done. I'm done. I'm done. I'm done. Listen, Jesus loves you, okay? Jesus loves you. But he's got some strong words for lazy people too, okay? I'm just saying. And so do I. I mean, just saying. But how do I press the button? Do I use my mouse? Oh. No, dude, don't use your mouse. Oh, okay. Well, how do I do it then? Do one of your guys do it for me? Oh, sure. Sure. Yeah. How come the instructions weren't in my email? It's on the documentation on the website. Why isn't documentation in my email? Do you know how hard it is to send documentation in an email? Well, I mean, I used this one software this one time. Shut up. All software's the same. Yeah, it's all the same. Yep, all software's the same, bro. Oh my word. Oh. They are still grinding it up into that red zone. Like, I keep thinking, yeah, sure, man, they might. This time, they might do it right in front of it, though. I'm like, nah, I mean, they won't really just grind it all the way in there, right? Like, maybe this one time, they'll turn it in front of it. No, Vinny, no, they're not. They're going to run it all the way up in there, bro. You know, that's why we draw it there. That's why we finally, thank you. 5.2, is that greater than 5.2? Yes. Is it a 6.5? Yes. Now, what am I going full port on? I need a PRZ or a dot. Yes. Am I inside of a PRZ? Yes. So is it technically already here? Yes. Now, did we touch the red zone? Yes. Finally. Thank you. Hallelujah. Hallelujah, 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 praise ye the Lord. Hallelujah, 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 hallelujah. Now give me a PRZ or a red dot. Oh, this speed, seriously, it's starting me psychotic.
Upper bands touch NQ on the 37.
Press the button, please. Oh my. But who's gonna press the button for me? I mean, okay. So are you gonna press the button for me? I see these buttons here. So like, I thought this was full auto. Oh my word! You have to press a full auto button. How do you start your car, bro? Wow, my car drives itself. That's I bought a Tesla. Oh, that's nice. You bought a Tesla. That's fantastic. I am very happy to hear that for you. Can I get a PRZ, please? All right, I'm calling it. That's high of day right there. Let's see. F6. Blat. That's it. I'm calling it. That's it. We're in the red zone. Literally going full port here, and I am literally going to walk away. I'm going to walk away. I'll be back.
Upper bands touch NQ on the
It looks like
37.
that dual signing ceremony has been concluded. Well, obviously, we'll keep an eye out for if he does decide to say anything. The video will stay up on the feed. And for those of you keeping an eye on the crypto procedural vote, currently that vote has been open for more than 2 hours, according to a reporter on X. So it's still going, but that's according to a punchable report on X.
You know I'm just one trade away. If you wanna take the AlgoBox and play miles apart, alpha omegas are connecting, and I hurt you even when you're not expecting. You know I've got a plan today. Hold two opposing signal, let it sway. The numbers tell me everything you're thinking. I imagine the enigma already kicking. Who would have thought that trading could be done by telepathy? The candles are rising, the screen's lighting up. What I would do.
Fib.NQ on the 4.
Rhythm, I double the delta two. By night and by day. By night and by day. You know that I can read the charts too. I can see the signs. I can see the signs. What's your next move? It's all over the candle shining right through. 'Cause I can see the lines. I can see the lines. I can hear the pings from my AlgoBox, listening to the market's rhythm as it talks. We're in sync even if you're offline. Double delta rise and stay in line. Who would've thought that trading could be done by telepathy? The candles are rising, the screen's lighting up. What I would do if I had the algorithm, I'd double the delta two. By night and by day. By night and by day. You know that I can read the charts too. I can see the signs. I can see the signs. What's your next move? It's all over the candle shining right through. 'Cause I can see the lines. By night and by day.
Fib.NQ on the 9.
It's Bostic, speaking of Fox Business, says that I try not to focus on news reports about the Fed, but on things that actually matter.
Upper bands touch NQ on the 37.
TRADEROOM and the AlgoBox crew, we're on the trends. Vinny Emini's all mental, making big ends. We exposed ICT, showed he's just a fraud. It's all about precision and timing, no facade. AlgoBox making moves, never reclining. Every trade calculated, no emotion in the mix. We profit off the dips and ride the bullish kicks. I'm stacking my cash, you stuck in the past. You ain't never gonna trade like this, moving too fast. You can't even catch up to my daily flips. Check out my gains, I'm owning this grip. Check it. I'm out here with TRADER making big moves. AlgoBox traders always in the groove. Trade making plays, we exposed ICT, showed he's all fake. Yeah, you see us winning, can't keep up with our stride. You're just mad cause you're not in the league. You were supposed to out-trade us, but what happened? It looks like you never did, just napping. We never fumbled a trade, always hit the mark. You talk like you're skilled, but you're just a spark. You front like you're big, but you ain't seen a stack. We double our profits while you're left in the black. You had your moment, but we came through. Right there, that was the end for you. Look, it's what I'm holding up from the streets. On God, none of this came for cheats. On God, y'all never getting this back. If you tell something to step up, let's have a trade off about it. Every day they talk, but who gon' do something about it? You're at home watching this count. TRADER and the crew, the masters of the game. AlgoBox traders always ready to claim. We hit hard every time we step in the market. On V by half the
Fed's Bostic says that we may be at an inflection point for inflation. We're seeing signs that inflation pressures are up.
You know I'm just one trade away. If you wanna take the AlgoBox and play miles apart, alpha omegas are connecting, and I hurt you even when you're not expecting. You know I've got
Bostic says right now would wait on cutting rates. So it says right now I would wait on cutting rates.
already kicking. Who would've thought your trading could be done by telepathy? The candles are rising, the screen's lighting up. What I would do if I had the algorithm, I'd double the delta too. By night and by day.
1 minute ago now to get the market on close imbalance data. Bostic says that businesses say this is not a textbook tariff situation and we're using different strategies for changing prices. It may be 2026 before we see the full tariff effect. That's into regards to the tariff effect on inflation.
I can hear the pings from my AlgoBox, listening to the market's rhythm as it talks. We're in sync even if you're offline. Now we got to rise and stay in line. Who would've thought the trading could be done by telepathy? The candles are rising, the screen's lighting up. What I would do if I had the algorithm, I'd double the delta too. By night and by day. By night and by
10 seconds.
You know that I can read the charts too. I can see the signs. I can see the signs.
Market on close imbalance S&P 500 to the sell side 596 million. Nasdaq 100
Fib.NQ
sell
on the
side
4.
54 million. Dow 30 sell side 42 million. And Mag 7 buy side 89.5 million. Fez Bostic says everything is on the table and we want data to guide us. Okay, so that probably marks and he's left
Have they dropped this thing yet?
an area, the bill signing area.
What's our time? 3:50. Okay, we came down on the 350, so let's look for the 355 repeat. Okay, I mean this was the call. We'll see. What's the time? 3:52. 1 minute till Lucky Sevens. Okay, there's the 100 tick.
A Bollinger Band touch. Looking left for signals. I need them so much. Price
Okay, ES, point down there, bro. Don't be running to highs now. Point down. 353, lucky sevens.
Respect the system, cause Vinny wrote the algorithm. Justice will come for gurus who can't take the criticism. At the end of the wave, the day can gray. And which just leaves me.
Minute and 20 seconds.
I am so crazy for AlgoBox, baby. I am so crazy for AlgoBox, baby.
Pip.NQ on the 37.
1 minute.
AlgoBoxers, light it up. Smash the like button. Clickety clap, tappity tap. Smash that like, don't hold it back. Bippity bop, flippity flap. Hit the like button, make it snap. Tickety tock, hit that spot. Like it up, don't let it rot.
30 seconds.
Just one shot, hit the like button, make it hot. Let's go. Like button.
Pip.NQ on the 9.
Too risky. I mean, they kind of tried to sell there, but no, they're bulls step right back in and just holding it. ES is pointing up again. Come on, point down, bro.
Clickety clap, tappity tap. Smash that like, don't hold
Point down for a second, would ya?
hit the like button, make it snap.
Oh my goodness. Point down for a second, would you? I'm just too risky there. I thought we'd get under the P point. Are you gonna go under the P point? Come on, bro. Come on. Come on. There's a red dot on the 9s. Come on, give me another. Just give me the 100 tick drop, bro. It's right there. Just go to the 100 tick, and then you want to push it up, do your thing.
It's concluded. Fed's boss 6 comments end on Fox Business.
Well, that's fantastic. Tell the Antichrist to shut up. Remind him Jesus is coming soon. Tell him to enjoy it while he can. Oh, I'm out. Dude, can't hang. Can't hang. And when it's this slow, bulls they take control. It is what it is. All right, one last shot here. We got HMD with a headshot. HMD headshot for the win. I'm going in. Let's go. Stop right here. I am locking a stop right back behind it. That's it. It pops up. I'm out. Pops up. I'm out. Let's go. Come on now. This is it. Come on. Drop it out. 2 minutes. They sold the 350 algo. Repeat that move. 5 minutes to the close. Then you can do whatever you want. Drop it down here. Hit this 100 tick line. Come on. Yes, turn around. Thank you. Turn down. Turn down. Just point down for a minute. 2 minutes, in fact. Point down for 2 minutes, ES. Come on. Point down. There you go. Come on. Smash that like button. Let's go. 4 likes to 100. Let's go.
Short on the NQ4.
Oh, it gave me my wish and not a tick more. All right, I'll take it. 29. Oh, I thought I had 30K. Nope. Nope, it wasn't going to be. It wasn't going to be. It's not going to give me my 30K today. It's not happening. 30K, 42, 72. And some change. We'll shuffle them up and do it again tomorrow. I'll catch you in the next one. See ya.
Double delta NQ on the 4.
Well, would you look at that crap? Just gonna remind myself that I just was not able to hang. I was not able, like mentally, I just could not deal with it anymore. The market is very good at doing this, is pushing you too far to where you give up, to where you're like, dude, I can't deal with it anymore. Yes, it was a perfect headshot. Yes, it was a perfect HMD. But even then, because you've had to fight through and you battle through all this crap, just don't play until this comes up. Another lesson learned. For real this time. Holy shnikes. That was wild. Could have had it.